morning, everyone. It's, summer hot and sticky repeat. Today's our last hot but not extreme heat day. It's only going to be 93 today. Since Don and I didn't go to the gym yesterday, we're going to go to the gym today, but there's a few other things we got to get done too. Might be going to the landfill. Might put up some 4th of July stuff. We'll see. I don't have my black windows to work on my Lego house project, so they haven't even shipped yet. It's been like 4 or 5 days. This is why I don't buy from anybody but EMS Bricks if I have a choice. They didn't have the black doors / windows, so I didn't have a choice. Hi, Gray. Hi. Hi. How you doing? Oh, good girl. Good morning. Hi, honey. Psst, psst. Hi. Good girl. Good morning, Morris. Well, you were in the right spot. And then you hopped down, bud. You gonna come back up? All right, come on. Here you go. Morris, there you go. Good morning. Hi, that's my good boy. Hey, Stripe. Hey, Mark. Hi. Well, I can still smell the lavender out here this morning. Hopefully the deer won't have been by and ate right beside where I put lavender yesterday. I didn't see him on the security camera, so hopefully not. You never know, though. I am not looking forward to a week of no rain and super high temperatures and having to kick into keeping things alive. I will do it, but it's not, I want to keep on doing things, not spending all of my time worrying about the plants being okay in the heat. But I will do what needs to be done. I'm doing my 4th of July light this morning, mini flags and a couple of things inside, and get Dawn to put up the inflatable, just, kind of mini flag or 4th of July light. Decorated, but not a full decoration. I see at least one Japanese beetle up there. It was nice while it lasted. There. I'll kill him. This is new. And it does actually spin pretty good, so I'm excited to see it moved by the wind. All the patriotic spinners are out also over in here somewhere. You'll see them as I'm walking around in the morning. Still looking gorgeous. It's neat how this one bloomed right into the hydrangea. I like that. Very pretty. I guess these are black-eyed Susans. They're blooming. And also the purple butterfly bush has a flower on it in there. The, the really pretty trumpet, angel trumpet, it didn't make it. It's in the middle there somewhere. Oh wow, I got a big weed. It's amazing how they pop up out of nowhere. Well, nothing better to do on a hot Saturday afternoon than go to the landfill.
It's 90 out there and I believe that.
Yeah, just trying to get a few things done before the additional heat happens.
Well, yeah, and that when I work during the week, it's especially with the taking off each day to go exercise or something like that. It's just that Lloyd, I'm going to be filling in for the next 2 weeks. I'm going to be because Lloyd's on vacation until the Monday after. I think he's Monday after
4th of July.
So I've still got a couple weeks. I just am not going to have time during the week really to get to the landfill. I'm just not that energetic. I mean, when I get off of work, I want to take a nap.
Right. Well, I don't even know that it's a 1. It's a sit down, and it's like time. It's just nap time. It's just how it is. It's like me going to do the video. I don't want to take a nap when I go to do the video, but some days I'm falling asleep anyway.
It's always been that way with me, because I used to get off of work when I work in RTP. I'd get behind the wheel, and hell, I'd be falling asleep before I'd get on I-40. It's just the relaxed, the stress, all the pressure's off, and boom. And you know, I don't know. It just wipes me out.
Anyway, we're out here doing what needs to be done today. Getting her done. I got my inflatables up and my mini flags out, and I'm gonna make lasagna. And it's just one thing. Get one thing done, move on to the next thing. It's just that kind of a day.
Yep.
Yeah, we stopped by to see Mr. Ball, and he was out of eggs, but we got some pecans, and we got a seedless watermelon.
But that's the first time ever he's been out. He doesn't have a single one. I've been there and only bought his last 2 dozen, for example. But this is the first time I've ever showed up that he had no eggs.
None. Yeah, not even the little ones or something.
Nothing.
Yep. He explained why he's having a little supply problem right now. He's always had a demand problem, but the supply is a little off right now. Well, we're not desperate, but that could mean I end up having to buy some at Whole Foods or Harris Teeter. Yeah. We went home, dropped off the GMC, and got Robot. And we're headed inside to do weights. It's going on 3:30 at least, something like that. Yep, it's right at 3:30. So this is a toroidal spinner. It's actually a 2-tone filament, so there's just a little bit of gradient. It's Ocean Breeze something. Anyway, that one should be pretty cool too. This pot didn't have anything in it right now, so I stuck it in there. I probably need to move it though, so get a little more wind and a little more motion. I don't think I videoed the inflatables after Dawn got them secure. I know I took a few pictures. I was out here running my mouth. I was putting up my 4th of July flags. But just in case, I don't think I'd videoed them. And the sun is not as obnoxious over here right now. The contrast will be okay. It won't be washed out. I do see that the corn log has been chewed on a bit. I think they go into the box, eat the peanuts, and leave everything else, though, as far as inside stuff. Anyway, Uncle Sam's looking a little short in comparison to these 2 other bigger inflatables. My boys are all here, laying on the sidewalk, trying to stay a little coolness. I'll walk around because as much as Morris loves me, he'll still be concerned if I walk past him fast. Dawn's down at the mailbox, swapping out flags and watering the geranium and doing other stuff. I also put out these 3D printed little 4th of July stakes. I don't know, I think I had like 6 of them or something, all different ones. So they're out in varying places too. I am going to do the village tree, but probably not till tomorrow. I'm going to just take down the front butterflies and put up some garland and a couple of other 3D printed things. But I got to get inside and get busy and make lasagna.
Wow, look at that. It looks great. Lasagna. Straight out of the oven.